Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. You can at least give us like a skippy, like a yeah, that one. Hey, it's good. Sometimes when I ask you to do a noise, you do a noise.
occasionally.
Appreciate it. What are we doing?
We are opening rectangular kangaroos.
Where?
We are opening rectangular kangaroos.
What's a rectangular kangaroo?
So Perth Mint do small production runs. I don't think they ever do many of them, of the rectangular kangaroo.
Okay.
So it's, we'll open it and we'll have a look at it. I'm not going to try and describe it.
Let's open it as we're talking.
Alright, so they never produce a lot of them, and this year particularly, for obvious reasons, they're not producing very many at all.
Yep.
So we will hurry this up a little.
It's alright. We've got someone out there that's it's feel like a door grater these days. It kind of feels like, doesn't it?
Rubes, can you grab me a glove? I've forgotten one.
Yeah, we've got someone, when we're filming, we've got someone out there who politely chats to the customer and tells them to wait a little bit while we finish filming. We try and get these done early in the morning when we can, but sometimes it's just too busy. So
these come in boxes of 200 if you want a monster box.
Yep.
And then tubes of 20.
Yep.
So they're a little bit, well, they're exactly like the rectangular dragons that we're selling.
Okay.
But these are the kangaroo design.
Yep. Fantastic. Get that glove on. Glove is very important.
I wore a glove for the 1,000 ounce bar, mate. I didn't leave any fingerprints on that one.
That's doing well, the 1,000 ounce bar. The unboxing's doing well. The attempted cutting is doing quite well as well.
Yes. If you want a bit of a laugh, go and view the video if you haven't already.
If you want, if you're a tradie, don't watch it.
Yeah, or at least. Yeah.
If you're good with power tools in general, don't watch it.
What are you trying to say? Alrighty, so tubes of 20, we ready?
Yep, we are ready.
So that's the, I'll bring one out. I'll go to the front first. So that's the front.
Beautiful. Yep.
So these are a bar, they're not a coin.
That's right. Oh, they're a bar, not a coin.
Correct.
Oh, right. Technically not a coin because technically there is not, as he flips it over, technically not the queen on the back.
There's no queen.
All right. I love this because it's like the gold minted bar
It is.
with the kangaroo security feature.
Yeah.
That's just lovely. And turn it back over, please.
They are a beautiful, basic bar.
Beautiful. Another BBB. Another triple B. The Perth Mint Australia. Yeah, these really are just beautiful. Now I understand why a lot of people have been asking us. How many people have we been asking? Got the kangaroos? Got the kangaroos? Got the kangaroos? 9999 fine silver 1 ounce. They actually are just, they're basic, but yeah, really beautiful. I love the concentric circles.
Yeah.
The however, I guess what you would call that in the frosting. If you can see it, I don't want to touch it, but that's really beautiful. You could almost call it swirling, but it's not.
It's not.
No.
And they are a minted bar.
Yes.
But I find these far more attractive than the round kangaroos.
Yeah, absolutely. But more of a limited mintage, yeah?
They are, not that, I'd have to actually check. I don't think they are a limited mintage. I just think they only produce very limited numbers of them anyway, because they're not specified by year. They're not, 2020s, 2021s, that sort of stuff. They're only ever minted bars.
Yep.
So they lose that collectability from that perspective. But if you're just stacking 1 ounce bars, this is the way to go.
Fantastic. So tubes of 20. Buying smaller than that, they don't come in individual capsules.
They do not, and they're rectangular, so we do not have capsules for them. So,
right, correct. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So
need to be aware of that from the start.
Yeah, but we always take care of them.
We do. We'll use gloves and all that sort of stuff, and they'll come in if you're getting them by post. They'll come in a Ziploc bag, and that type of stuff.
So they don't rub together and all that stuff. Yeah.
So we only got 1,000 in. That's all the allocation that Perth Mint would allow us.
Okay.
So be aware they will go quickly.
Yeah.
Because they are a good, cheap and cheerful, basic, really nice bar.
Yep. Cool. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. I'll put the specific link to the Kangaroo bar page down below in the info section and as part of the pinned comment. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.